Premtobre Kasee na social Adom TV no. Midi ade afia amankwa tamaklo share live on Facebook /Adom TV. Go TV channel 119 and DSTV 280. Yaremo kwa yensa foforo mo na energy enyumakuo no na wormo ade nsema hodo atodwa kire se enei wo mudu ani no esise obi bia wo ye fango adwuma no de wo ton no esomfa so pepepe na ubenya sabe ye betumi aboa ma nnwuma no so atumi akonanimo so afo abedi akire ohwe energy so Andrew Ejapa Mesa na de sansemi etudwa
One more share say dwumadie asodia eda wo mo so ene se wo be hwe na fango a eba edwaman so eye papa na ebe bo enema etwa ye ho ahia te se ewiemu sakraye eho ban ye fi ne nkekawa bia enim Nempenifo pese wo so wo mu asenti ena afempinu ne aduonum yensa Ghana Energy Awards wapa hontoma oso afa be de atwa wo hwe nyina mahoden sam so Andrew Ejapa Mesa ene Adom Kasee atwetwe sankomoyi.
Government's vision for a just and equitable transition framework is a bold one that aspires to discharge our international obligations in the matter of climate change and a move away from fossil fuel use. Under the leadership of Dr. Premtobre, Minister for Energy, the ministry is positioned to drive the President's vision, not just for energy transition, but for the energy sector as a whole.
Abasobodi adwumadie wachechemu aduonum yensa ya wobesi akan ewomu enum die enya kansie esenti obebi ato honom a wo mu edimu akotene no ebetimi apre abasobodi ehu tetere ne awoda abedwafo ano eyekwa medwanto a na wodanu disembi etudwa
so wohwe a sa energy awards we no eyesnonko ne snonko ne say ye frɛ bibi energy transition and now climate no aye basabasa ninti it looks as if say oil no contributed to climate change no.
Event director engineer Henry Taino no ni Adom Kasee atwetwe enkomo.
The Ghana Energy Awards is more than just a award scheme. It is a mission and a vision and a movement. It is a platform for showcasing the best of the Ghana's energy sector and advancing its development and transformation. It is an opportunity for us to say thank you all to who are making the difference in the sector every day.